What is going on, family? Cribs here. I had to bring you something. I just watched something on YouTube. Today, let me tell you what's been going on. I just smoked 20 pounds of my Dr. Pepper jalapeno jerky. I'm getting ready to do some swag onion smash burgers tonight. And I had a little bit of time, so I started watching some YouTube videos because that's what we do. And something came up that intrigued me so much that I want to do a quick video. So quick, it'll probably be the fastest video that you have ever seen on YouTube or ever watched that has any substance to it. That'll show you how, the beginning and the end. But anyways, I want to say hello to somebody that may be new here for the first time. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beard Swag Barbecue. My name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded and the barbecue community. I have an Instagram channel that is _beardswag_barbecue. This is a place to where we talk about beard products. We talk about men's grooming, and we talk about a lot of barbecue accessories. But anyways, I want to get into this video. You're gonna love it. It's smoked cream cheese. Crazy. Enjoy the intro. I'll see you for the video in just a second. All right, you guys, welcome back. Okay, now, I told you it was going to be smoked cream cheese. Turn that back up. And this is going to be on my RECTEQ 700 bowl. Check them out. I know you guys love this grill. I absolutely love it. RECTEQ is amazing. But anyways, let me show you. 250 degrees, which we're on for about 2 hours, it said. I just put it on. I put some cross hatches in it so it'll open up, but it's supposed to be amazing. That's all I did. Quick video. Spices I used. I went with a grilling garlic jalapeno from Elk Creek, which is amazing stuff. And some hardcore carnivore amplify. This is kind of it's a booster is what it is, and it almost reminds Nikki and I and everybody else that's tried it of kind of a cheese flavor, like sprinkled cheese. So with those two, the RECTEQ, your boy Swag, and some cream cheese, I'll be back in a minute to show you what it looks like in 2 hours. All right, family. It's been 2 hours, and it stayed on 250. That's what it looks like. Pretty weird. I thought it'd be a huge mess, but this is supposed to be a quick video. Right now, I'm getting ready for the grill grates are getting heated up for some Swag smash burgers. But we're not there to focus on that. We're focusing on this smoked cream cheese. Oh, that is killer looking. I'll see you in a second. It looks good. It's cheesecake feeling. I agree with that 100%. I got a chip here. Let's just see. Voila. Smoky. Those spices are good. Probably be really good on a cracker too. But that's the video. Quick, easy, to the point. All right, guys, enjoy. Cribbs is out. God bless.